Alright, just got our steering wheel set up in here. We're gonna set this up outdoors here so you guys can see the actual projector screen working on it. We're gonna race, we're gonna play some games here and see how well this works. So this is what you get when you get it out there. It's very heavy, so no tools necessary because it comes with everything you need, instructions and all the parts. I already set up. It's dark because we're gonna be playing on the big giant screen today. We have a projector setting up and we're going to set up our chair here. You could do a rolling chair if you want, or regular chair. I'm going to just use a regular chair today just to show you guys how it works. Now we're set up at dark because this thing, you have to screw in 2 screws, 3 or 2 screws, so it will move. This does not work with the actual system. You have to actually screw it underneath. Same with the foot pedal. And today we'll play some games, so let's go ahead and do that. And I do have a projector here. It's over my head, so it's gonna be right over it. Here come the brakes. Yeah, last place. Look at this dude.